Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 7th of October, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.06. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.25%. This results in an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 23.43% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 47.9% to a decrease of 9.1%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible decline of about 45.62% over the next year, with potential returns varying between a decrease of 61.34% and a decrease of 26.06%. This translates to a price range of between 8.76 and 16.76 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel reveals a significant headline: weaker technical forecast for Intel as stock downgraded to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Intel's stock price decreased by 3.33%, falling from $23.44 to $22.66. During this day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.56%, ranging from a low of $22.47 to a high of $23.72. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall drop of 0.13%. Notably, trading volume increased by 32 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which could indicate early warning signs. Thus, the risk may slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 67 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.53 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 55.81%, or $28.62, below the 52-week high, and 67.3%, or $46.63, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020. On that date, the stock price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock experienced a decline today, primarily influenced by disappointing news from ASML that has negatively impacted the entire semiconductor sector. Such sentiment can create short-term volatility, as investor confidence may waver due to sector-wide concerns. On a more strategic note, Intel and Advanced Micro Devices have announced the formation of an advisory group aimed at enhancing the x86 chip architecture to support increasing demands in artificial intelligence. This collaboration not only addresses competitive pressures from ARM holdings, but also seeks to ensure seamless software interoperability across their platforms. In the long term, this initiative could strengthen market positioning and ultimately boost Intel's stock as it adapts to evolving technological needs. Furthermore, analysts are emphasizing the competitive landscape where movements from NVIDIA and Intel may challenge the growth of AMD, Such competitive insights could shape investor perceptions regarding Intel's market dynamics. Lastly, there is discussion surrounding potential U.S. export caps on AI chips, a development that may impact not only Intel, but the broader semiconductor industry. This regulatory environment could pose risks in the short term. However, companies with strong strategic partnerships and innovative frameworks are likely to navigate these challenges more effectively, enhancing Intel's growth potential over time. Overall, today's updates indicate a blend of short-term pressures and long-term strategic positioning for Intel. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark rated Intel as buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wolfe Research assigned Intel a grade of reduce along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated Intel as underperform with a recommendation to hold. On that same day, Exane BNP Paribas also rated Intel as underperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio also a buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have categorized the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $23.15. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $21.56. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would produce a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024. And to date, the stock has increased by nearly 20%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 139 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 147 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84, a level that may present a buying opportunity as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.25 between its high and low, which represents a change of 5.56%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high P/E ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market prospects to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.81. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds steady, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yeri Frank D executed an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of Phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D performed an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of Phantom stock units. Also on September 27th, Ishraq Omar made an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of Phantom stock units. On that day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of Phantom stock units. Moving back to the 31st of August, 2024, Gowell Scott performed an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.609. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.94, reflecting a decrease of 3.18%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 27 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this moment. At the current level, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of October, we anticipate Intel will open at approximately $22.95, with an expected increase of 29 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.